Well, hello. What up, party people? Happy Monday. Tuesday for some. Still Monday for me. All right. I'm pumped. More game dev. You know what I mean? What's been going on? Hey, Alberto in the house. listening to my disembodied voice. Yeah, that's kind of awkward. Here, hold on. Boop. What up? Alright. I think we're square. I have a temperamental Mac. You know the Macs, not the newest MacBook Pros, but the ones that had the little touch bar built into the keyboard. So one of my Macs, the touch bar flashes like crazy, like it goes insane. Barely works anymore. Like if I want to change the brightness and shit, I have to go into the settings and like go to display and change it. Sometimes it works, but so like if I'm in the office late at night with the lights off or whatever, it'll just start flashing like crazy and I'll think lightning's happening. It scares the crap out of me, and it just turns off on its own. So yeah, definitely something wrong with it. Temperamental MacBook, I know, right? That's weird. Macs are perfect. That's impossible. Yeah, it definitely gives me some trouble. Alright. Alberto has a question. Shoot. What's up, man? Give it to me. I'm ready. I've been exploring the job market for WordPress on my level. Oh, yeah, there we go. Very nice. What's up with that? But I really can't find any fit. So there are starting positions and there are senior positions. Right. You're not finding a lot of just WordPress engineer or software engineer positions. You're finding a lot of associate and senior positions. That's rough. So, you know, what do you do, right? But I don't consider myself senior since the projects I've been working on haven't asked for complex stuff. Okay. You feel you're lacking some skill set that would make it hard for you to handle a senior job. It's understandable. So for example, can you give me some advice on what can I learn to get a better profile? I assume we're talking about like LinkedIn profile or just skill set profile. Like I've seen WP hooks, WP plugin development, WP block themes. Right. All pretty standard WordPress engineering things to get into. Yeah. So other stuff is Vue and React, but that's something I can learn by practicing, but I'm not sure about WP hooks, WP plugin yet. So in my experience, just at least touching on the WordPress, you know, hook, plugin development, theme development, blocks, all that kind of stuff. And then there's full site editing themes now, which, you know, is a little bit of a different ballgame than standard theme development. So in my experience, those aren't things that you can really just grab a tutorial and grasp and then be like, cool, now I can say I can do it. Those are one of those things where it's like, you just do it, right? You take the job that requires you are a WordPress engineer. You've worked on themes, you've seen theme code, plugin code, and you just have to fake it till you make it a little bit. And but you know, the way to circumvent that a little bit is make sure you're setting good expectations. They'll always ask you how long it's going to take. They'll always ask you, what complexity level do you think it is? And you can be honest, You can say that it's going to take you an extra week that would take somebody else because you have to consider the research time and the trial and error time. So, that being said, to your original point, I don't think you should start just learning random shit. You know what I mean? I obviously think you should know how to develop themes. I think you should know how to develop blocks. I think you should know how to develop plugins. Honestly, all those are the same thing. Blocks are a little different. That's React, and it'd be good to know your way around React. I'll tell you right now, to go off on a tangent on React, I only know React because WordPress uses it now. Okay? I've used React outside of WordPress, obviously, in Next.js setups and TypeScript stuff, and not TypeScript, different builder IO, like different systems that I've had to work in just because that's what the job required it. But key point being, that's what the job required. I never decided, okay, I'm gonna learn how to do React, and then now I can do it for the next job. Like, no way. I learned React on the job just because I had to. And to be honest, I don't really know React. Not that well. I know vanilla JavaScript. Oop. That's why I keep pushing vanilla JavaScript, by the way. I don't really know React, but I could work in a React setting. I can create React components. I can work in any system that is using React right now because I know vanilla JavaScript and it's compatible inside of React. And then if you're just copying other shit that's in there, you can learn how to, set up use states and how to deal with the routes and that kind of stuff. But I couldn't tell you the proper way to set up, pulling components and exporting functions and that kind of stuff offhand. That's just stuff you need to know for the project you're working on. And as far as Vue is concerned, I never even touched it. I don't really even know what that is. So I'm a bad example of whether you should learn that kind of stuff. But as far as WordPress specific development, if you're working in WordPress right now and you're serious about wanting to up your skill set and you want to take your software engineer position to a senior software engineer position, then you need to just take the plunge and take a senior position. If you've been working over 2 years as a software engineer, you're pretty much there. And obviously, even if the jobs you've been taking aren't very complex and you can't say everything by, off the top of your head, you need to start just taking these harder jobs and being transparent and saying, I have very basic knowledge in React. I have very basic knowledge in plugin development and theme development. I've done it in specific scenarios, but put me in assessment and it's going to look like I don't know a lot, and that's fine. Got it. I've been working since 2016 as a WP engineer, and I've had 2 developers under me on other jobs. Yeah, dude. I mean, you're overkill. Honestly, the reason why you're still not confident being a senior developer is because you're not confident. You have the experience. And like I've said in many shorts, and like I've said in many different streams, 50% of engineering is the job part. Mentoring devs under you, talking to stakeholders, talking to QAs, dealing with the clients. That is 50% of it. And that's the 50% that counts the most. Because you can look up the rest. You know what I mean? There's a plugin development handbook that WordPress has had for decades. You know what I mean? So just do it. Now, I get it if you like, oh, should I start as an associate position and then work my way up? Yeah, I've been able to so far do anything of it. Exactly. And you got to remember that. And just because you haven't done it doesn't mean you can't do it. Because you're experienced in the WordPress ecosystem. And the first thing you need to do is just fucking take the job. So apply. 2016. I mean, 8 years. Wait, am I doing my math right? Yeah, 8 years as a WordPress engineer, right? Now, if you're really not confident, I'll give you some better advice. If you're really not confident in your next senior role, like you're just ready, like I'm going to do it, I'm going to take the senior role, I'd flub that 2016 a bit. Because there's another extreme that I've come across, and that's the lifelong WordPress engineer that's been doing it for 20 years, and then you get them in the room with somebody who's been doing it for probably half as long, and they have no idea like half the stuff that the person that's been doing it for 20 years, or that's been doing it for 10 years knows. So 8 years is a great thing to say if you want to get a senior role. But if you're really worried about being, looked over because maybe you don't have as much like off the cuff, off the top of your head knowledge, I don't know. I'd maybe go for more like 5. 5 is good. 5 is senior. You know what I mean? Yeah, I can update my portfolio to like 2060, 220, HTML, CSS. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, say you've been a web programmer, a website programmer since 2016. But you could say you've been a WordPress engineer for, since 2019 or 2020, right? And then you have all this background knowledge of HTML, CSS, website development stuff. And on top of that, you have really good familiarity with the WordPress ecosystem. So you could take a senior role, and it could be a start. I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, as long as your salary expectations are in check, they'll accept you as a senior with 4 years of experience, plus your extra 4 years of web development experience at a beginning senior level. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah, no problem, man. I mean, unfortunately, like I've been saying in my last few shorts, like, the hiring game is a game. Working in this industry is a game. You have to play it, and you have to know the rules. And unfortunately, they keep them secret. The HRs, the hiring managers, and I've been on both ends for years, so I know the games I play too. Because you want to get a good developer, and you want to get them for a good price. I've been guilty of that myself. And at the end of the day, having somebody stable who's willing to ask questions and learn, I would bump them up an entire role just because of that. I'd go from associate to software engineer, or I'd go from software to senior software engineer, just because the dude is inquisitive, asking lots of questions, retaining knowledge, you know what I mean? Just a good learner. That's a skill you can't really learn. That's something you just, it's your own ambition and your own abilities to retain knowledge, and it's really about caring. Sorry. It's about caring, yeah, about the role. And like, if you really need the job, you'll put a little bit more effort into paying attention. Yeah, man. No problem, Alberto. And yeah, feel free to hit me up on LinkedIn too if you haven't yet. I don't know, I get a lot of connection requests and I accept them all, so. But yeah, hit me up on LinkedIn. Point out some jobs and stuff like that if you want. I can give you advice on what they're expecting, and if I think it'd be a good role. I mean, honestly, I've seen so many jobs, and I've been hit up by so many recruiters, and I've taken so many jobs that it's like I really can get a pretty good feel for how a job is going to be just based off of their fucking job descriptions, or like the feel, the company size, you know, what the recruiter's saying, that kind of stuff. I mean, I look at keywords really quick, and I know when to just say, you know, bye. Or I know I'm like, interesting, you know. There's certain keywords that make me think, oh, okay, you know. They don't give a shit. They'll pay whatever you're worth, you know what I mean? Or, hey, it's kind of a starting role, you know? There's only like one other guy in, or they're just building the team. They just hired their first WordPress developer, and they're looking for more. Dude, you can find some of that. That's where it's at. If you could start in a team or start a team and like be the first, that's literally like winning the lottery. I'm serious. When jobs hit up developers and they have no idea what they need, and they kind of just go off of what's out there, and then you get your foot in the door. Yeah, I know you know how to look for them. That kind of stuff where you figure out about the team thing. You just wrote WordPress on LinkedIn. Hey, that's not bad. Yeah, let's take a look. LinkedIn. Let's jump on the job boards. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah, I mean, luckily all my job for you picks are WordPress related. Okay, so first off, easy apply. It's good. But usually when they're doing easy apply, they're getting a lot of fucking submissions. So you can get lost pretty easily if you don't have like exactly what they're looking for. I would do that, but that's because I'm lazy. But so are a lot of other people. So if you go and you find, let's see here. I mean, don't work for any WordPress-based companies. That's where you want to stay. That's not where you're gonna learn shit. WP Engine, you're not gonna get anything there. Also, pay attention to these salaries. You know, if their salary just seems like, whoa, that would be awesome, then you know they're getting a lot of submissions. And then if we go to, let's see here. Yeah, we stay away from the Microsofts and the big ass names. I mean, I've worked for some of these, but something in between 65 and 90. Yeah, that's a good salary expectation. That's a very good expectation for getting your foot in the door. I mean, if you're going for senior, it better be 90 and above. Oh, wait, you're in the U.S. You're in Arizona or something? Texas? I don't know, man. 90's low. Yeah, if you're looking for senior roles, I mean, that's starting 120 at least in the U.S. You come from Mexico, that's why I'm really low. I know, your expectations, man. Yeah. And I don't know if you watch my... Yeah, oh, you're in California, that's what it was. Duh. Yeah, I don't know if you watch my recent shorts, but never tell a recruiter what you're willing to get paid. Ever. That is your biggest mistake. And if they ask, say, you know, honestly, what is your salary cap? Yeah, you saw it? Okay, good. But yeah, I wouldn't be scared away. I mean, I'd be scared away from working in WeHo. Fuck, the drive, man. No way. What do we got here? Ooh, website developer. I like website developer. I like front end in JavaScript, not being specific. The job I have right now, I just take it to have a job. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's how you start out. That's how you build it. I mean, how long have you been at your current company? I think that changes things a little bit too. What's this? Gannett. USA Today Network. Locally Q as a digital marketing platform. Oh, sorry. I was saying, how long have you been at your current company? That's why we are 3x Google quality account. Blah 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 blah. Don't care about that. Base salary. 1.5 years. It's good. Yeah, over a year and you're pretty solid. You can move on after that. 2 to 3 years is like the gold time. That's where recruiters are like, okay, in the past 5 years, have you been at a company for 2 to 3 years? You know, that tends to be what they're looking for. But 1.5 is good enough to make a jump to another company and try that out for a while. So I wouldn't be worried about leaving. But what is this? This is just JavaScript, GitHub, and CSS. Before the company before this company I was since 2015. Okay, yeah. Well, there you go. Then you are more than in the gold zone. Hey, this is pretty interesting. So here you'll be support ongoing website development to ensure customer journeys, blah blah blah. Work closely with graphic designers, perfect. Blah 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 blah. Let's see, what are they working on though? Experience web development. Similar just means experience, so that means nothing. Oh, there you go. It's a WordPress site. They just don't want to say WordPress for some reason. That's interesting. Okay, well there you go. You got a nice... And you're working with the graphic designer. It sounds like they don't have shit for a team. A bit about the team. Digital words, don't care about that. About the position. Reporting to the director of website strategy and growth. Yeah, so you're working on the marketing team. The website developer will support the growth, blah, blah, blah. You can't find this one? I'm telling you, man. I get all these promoted specific ones just for me. And like, I could apply to this and they probably wouldn't get back to me. People also don't like overqualified people, because then they're going to ask for more money. Team players focus on collaboration, QA, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like there's basically... This is what I'm talking about, one of those companies where you're just part of the marketing team and you're kind of just the authority, which is what you want. Here, I'll shoot this in the... how do you share? The share? Share. Yes. Here we go. Yeah, I'd hit up this one. And I mean, you know, 53 to 105. That means they're willing to take an associate engineer to, you know, someone more senior. And that's good. Because the cap 105 is pretty good. And I think that means there's room to grow. And that's what you really want. You want to be able to get raises year to year. It seems like it's a giant company, so... Yeah, well, there's one. No, portfolios are useless. What you should have is a resume. So, I would take your LinkedIn profile or whatever jobs... You've only been at a couple places, so you have this in your last job. I'd put those as on your resume. Since it's small, there's only 2. Extensive description of your responsibilities, who you had to interact with. I'm talking about, like, you know, you're interacting with the CEO, you're interacting with the product manager, director of marketing, or whoever you're interacting with. Say you had to, you know, interact with these people on a daily basis. And then exactly what you had to do, you know, maintain websites. You can zhuzh it up a bit. Say all the languages that you had to work on during your time there, just so they know your skill set. And yeah, mention WordPress, and they'll be like, "Oh, there you go. You know, we need WordPress." And USA Today, by the way, they have a lot of companies. The sports team The sports portion of USA Today, I applied for actually a while ago, and they're good. They're major WordPress guys, and yeah, I would have got the job there if I didn't get a different job that was remote. It wasn't remote. This was a while ago, obviously. All right, what else do we have here? United States, full stack web developer. What's this? Remote contract. Nobody wants a contract, bro. Let's see what else we got here. Prime. You want to work for Prime? Is this the drink company? Probably not. Oh no, it is. Influencers. What do you do? You're gonna implement brand web standards for all online properties. Pixel Perfect. By the way, Pixel Perfect is fucking stupid. Designers don't know how to build UIs. Web developers know how UIs should be built. Designers know how to make them look pretty. So Pixel Perfect is fucking ridiculous, especially when you're working with responsive. You know what that means? It's not scalable. It means that you're not going to be able to style the entire site, right? Because you're so worried about this one page being pixel perfect. Stupid. Cool. You're enhancing shit. You're doing shit. A/B testing shit. That's good. And they sent responsive designs. Yeah, thanks for the responsive designs. You gave me 3 breakpoints. Yeah, what about all those other pixels, you dick? Custom email templates. Oh, okay. You have any experience with email? It's not hard. It's just HTML. I mean, emails can only accept so much. High priority projects. Whatever. Okay, here's the key skill set. Yeah, have you worked with emails? Azure DevOps. Whatever. Yeah, this is all a bunch of fluff and shit for nothing. Not very hard. Ooh, you get 401k. So what do we got here? I'm not seeing... Oh, this is an easy apply. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Yeah, whatever. That was kind of a waste of time, sorry. What else we got here? We got PHP web developer. Another easy apply user. Oh, here we go. WP engine, no. What? Full stack WordPress developer, red balloon. Interesting. Oh my god, look at this one. 18. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was 18,000. I was like, what? Okay, this is hourly. That's actually really low for hourly as well. Let's see what red balloon's about. This was reposted 14 hours ago, so they're obviously not getting what they want. Yeah, that's crazy. Full stack WordPress, blah blah blah. Let's just go to the skill set. None of this matters. Wow, isn't it crazy how much job descriptions don't matter? Like how much of it? Okay, so HTML, yeah, okay. This is just working on WordPress. Literally, that's what WordPress is. And then Git. Everybody works in Git. Front-end designs. Okay. Yeah, this is a good one. I mean, it's low. 71. This makes me feel like they definitely have room to push up. Oh, shit. I guess I didn't think about this. 2 to 10 employees. This is a tiny company. I mean, it's not a bad in-between. I wonder if you could build some skill set here. See how they grow. I don't know. I'll send this to you just because it can't hurt. Shit up. Doop. Yeah, that can't hurt. Okay, let's look for something better. And then we'll get into game dev. PHP developer, remote. See, this is getting pretty high, and they're working with Angular. Meh. Asking for promotion on current job. Yeah, I'd wait till you have another job sealed before you start talking about promotions. I wouldn't even tell them about it, but just to have that in your back pocket. So if it starts to go south, because here's what happens. It's 2 reactions. Ooh, what's this? What did you send me? Oh, is this your resume? This is your old resume? 2008 front-end WordPress developer, freelance. That's fine. And then a graphic. Okay, so this is the one you were until your latest project, which is with SETI GSP. It's great. Yeah, no, this is completely great. I don't know what WPO is. WordPress optimization? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, I've never seen it worded that way. Tools, WordPress. Oh, web page optimization. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that is a thing. GitHub, Figma, Bootstrap, WordPress. Okay, that's cool. I'd what else? What else could you put in here? You work with Docker at all? That's always a good one to put in there. Not everybody has Docker experience. And languages, JavaScript, PHP, CSS, HTML. Cool. I would definitely put Sass in there, you know, SCSS. Yeah, just on tutorials. Okay, then yeah, forget it. Don't put it. Yeah, I'd put SCSS in there too if you're working with precompiled CSS like Less or Sass. Because CSS is so basic, yeah, and most sites aren't starting with CSS anymore. Yeah. Yeah, so put SCSS in there as well. And then skill set wise, I guess these are fine. I don't know if I would pay attention to these personally. I think it'd be mostly the language. And couldn't hurt if you put proficiency level 2 in your languages. I'd say skills can go. Yeah, honestly. I mean, it's good to know that you have experience with SEO. That is important. Everybody's looking for somebody who has SEO experience. So I would put that. And I would put email development as well. Email marketing. That's also a skill set that people are looking for when they're looking for developers, especially ones with smaller teams. So email, SEO. What else? You have Figma as a tool. So I guess that's fine. Email, SEO. It's another good skill set. Maybe worked in Agile environments, like were your companies doing Agile, like Jira, you know, stand-ups and all that kind of stuff? Never? Okay. Well, then don't say you've never done that. Most companies are doing that these days. You are lucky. And then, yeah, honestly, if you just got rid of that list and just put SEO, email marketing, I mean, that would probably be good. Have you worked with e-commerce at all, or no? I don't know what these companies were. Maybe in your freelance work, you did some e-commerce work. WooCommerce and Shopify. Okay, then I put e-commerce as a skill as well. That's another good skill. These are just buzzwords, you know, that when recruiters are looking at the resume and be like, oh, we have a store. You know what I mean? Or, oh, we need SEO. Or we have email marketing needs. Stuff like that. So those three are actually power. I would put those three for sure. And then, yeah, but as far as your job descriptions and stuff, what you've been working on, I think these are great. It's a good size. I think this is pretty solid. Yeah, I'll just work on that. And then tools wise, WordPress is good. I'd spell it correctly though with a capital P. You're gonna piss some people off. Yeah. As a tool, I'd put WooCommerce in tools and Shopify in tools. Those are great, especially if you're looking at a site that's working with Shopify. Yeah, tools should be WooCommerce, Shopify, skills, SEO, email marketing, and e-commerce. Because yeah, I think those will all go a long way. And yeah, the rest should be pretty good. Never done liquid on Shopify. I just know like export products, import products. That's fine. I mean, I don't know anything in Shopify. I've developed Shopify apps for stores. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you know the Shopify ecosystem though. And then if they need to, like, if you need to work on their theme or anything like that, it's really easy. It's just code. Or just settings, you know what I mean? Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about that. And you can always explain that later. This is just about getting your foot in the door. Yeah, more time but nothing we can't do. Exactly. 100%. It's about giving them reassurance that they should bring you in for a second interview or an initial interview. And then you can really show them, you know, that you're capable, you want to learn, you're hungry, that kind of stuff. What else we got here? We need one more before I feel satisfied. Woohoo! No, thank you. That sounds very complicated. Software engineering manager. No, thank you. What else we got here? You want to work for NASA? Yes, of course. You got to go to Palmdale though. See, this is one of those jobs, man. Yeah. They'd probably ask for citizen. Yeah. Are you not? You don't have like a green card or visa or anything like that? Are you gonna need to be sponsored by somebody? Alien resident? You have a green card? Oh, okay. That'll work. Well, you can't be an astronaut. Maybe. Yeah, but I'm telling you, man. You get like a NASA on your freaking resume. Poo. Here we go. A nice, simple WordPress developer position. We've got be part of the future. So this is a starting job, you know, starting company. They need normal shit. Probably pretty similar to what you're doing. Design, develop, maintain. You have an uncle that worked for NASA. Ooh. Yeah. Get your foot in the door. Tell him like, hey, I see that there's an IT specialist lead. Oh God. I couldn't even do that. That'd be very, very complicated. Okay, WordPress proficiency, extensive experience. Yeah, man. You got it. Responsive web design? Duh. SEO knowledge? You'll have SEO on there. But Team Remotely is an agency or is like a recruiting company for other companies. Team Remotely? Yeah, probably. Let's see here. It's a staffing and recruiting company. Looking for a job at Team Remotely. Yeah, but also these companies need developers too for their own work. So this seems like it's a job for Team Remotely, not like hiring for other people. Let's see what their application process looks like. Ah, never mind. Womp womp womp. That sounds like a trap. Fuck you. Never mind. And then we get video editing. You know video editing and software? Yeah, that is pretty good. Too bad. Web developer. What's this? Okay, big ass company. Tech systems. Ah, it's a contract. I mean, you might be okay with a contract. That's just not something I'm looking at. 3 years of experience working for a TV program. Oh, really? Nice. That's pretty cool. Well, Google's looking for a video editor. I mean, let's just take a look. I know it's Microsoft, but it only has 10 applicants. What do you got to do? Work with stakeholders. Design documents, whatever. Okay, what's the requirement? Nope, never mind. C++, C Sharp. Not interested. Web developer, all gear digital. Nope. Nope. Senior full stack. Ooh. Remote worker US. I don't know, this can be one of those scams too. Let's see. 1 to 10. So, you're a subject matter expert, of course. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, all the right stuff. You can learn Gulp and Docker. It's not a big deal. You get health insurance, PTO, vision insurance. Oh, nice. And yeah, it's got all this stuff. You know some of those. You can learn the rest. They're not saying anything about pay. You report to the CTO and CEO. Okay. Smaller company. Direct reports, web developer, junior. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is a senior. So you'd have some direct reports, which you're not completely unfamiliar with. Yeah, it's fully remote. I don't know. This could be good. It's not a lot of people have already applied to it. Could be an interesting job for you. You can leave it like that. I really appreciate your advice. Hope helping the file service on saving these links sent, of course. Fantastic. Yeah, no. I'm always willing to part whatever experience I can, and you know, I just want people to get work. It's a hard market, you know, and any sort of edge you can get with some background knowledge, yeah, just apply to them all. I mean, shit, you can apply to you can apply to like 30 places and you'll get callbacks from 3. You know what I mean? It's about a 10% thing. Yeah. Keep me posted though. Either way, if you're looking to, like I said, this is what you gotta do. I mean, LinkedIn is good for finding jobs, but you know, you can go to a lot of places. 54 places? Yeah, that sounds about right. I mean, dude, even I have applied to a bunch of places with my resume and my, you know, extensive background, and I don't even get callbacks from a lot of places because it's all automated, you know. You received 2 calls, and I'm working for both companies right now. Nice. One with the W2 and one as a freelance. Hell yeah, man. So okay, great. Well, so you already got a nice W2, but I'm guessing you're just not getting paid what you want to. Yeah, keep the overemployed stuff going, man. You know, the best way to get a raise is to get another job. And then you're not so worried about getting a raise, right? But, yeah, keep me posted. Yeah, let me know if you have any more questions. Especially once you start talking to them, you know? 23 hour. I just need a little bit more. Ah, got it. Yep. Yeah, my hourly rate is staggeringly high, and people don't want to pay it, so I don't even tell people my rate. But yeah, man, I look forward to you getting some work. Where are we at? I forgot where I left off. So we got the whole transporting into walls working. So like I can't do that anymore. You can only transport out of walls. What's my range? Shit. What, if I was gonna get a new job? Yeah, well, salary-wise, if I was gonna get a new job, which is the only thing, I would only go for salary. I don't do hourly. I haven't done hourly in 8 years or so. But yeah, salary, I think if I was gonna make a move, it'd have to be, you know, around 220, 240, something like that. But hourly, it'd have to be higher than that. You know what I mean? Maybe 100 an hour, something like that. 110. And that would be okay. I mean, I hate the tax situations. Yeah, salary's good. Salary is solid. That's stability, you know what I mean? Because then you get like paid time off and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, I definitely have to fix the bad guys. Something happened, and now they explode on me. But I'm not using bad guys yet. Yeah, go for it, man. I'm gonna remember what I was working on while you eat. So, back on the stage site, let's actually close this for now because I don't remember what I was doing. We got it working. Oh, I think I just pushed up code. I think I'm ready to go back to the stage site. Let's do that. Oh, I think I was gonna work on the mini game. That'll give me the ability to transport in the level. I need to think about this. I need to put this level together a little better. So let's go into Thyrus. So oh yeah, that's what I need to do. So first thing is, I need to set up who gives me this collect the ID badge mission. So I need to make this map bigger here and have a little area for the receptionist. Because I gotta talk to him, and he's the one that gives me the badge. So if I just cut out like maybe a wall here and a bigger portion here, then I probably could fit him into a little cubby. Yeah, I think I could do that. Alright. So if I'm gonna do that, I need to go back into Illustrator. Alright, computer, get ready. I'm opening Illustrator. Let's close PHP Storm for now. Exit. That'll actually save a lot of CPU bandwidth on the computer. Hey, yeah, you see? We got the 30 follower goal. Now we're going for 40. And the ultimate goal for followers is 50. Because then I can be an affiliate. But I don't think I get enough average viewers to be an affiliate yet. We'll see. Maybe in 20 followers I will have enough average viewer count. Come on. There we go. Let's open up Thyrus, because that's what we want to do. Doop-de-de-doop-de-doop. Alright. And then what I want to do is do something like this. Okay, yeah, something like, let's go even thinner. Cool. And then here, yeah, this is gonna be annoying. Let's go down. Okay. And let's add a new rectangle here. Alright. I guess I can kind of give me space on both sides, huh? Why not, eh? Why not? Welcome to Illustrator. Yeah, and you see what I'm doing here is I'm messing with the SVG for the map, and all these rectangles end up being rectangle tag code on the front end. So this is just Illustrator. I mean, it's not like I'm working in a game engine right now. This is literally just Adobe Illustrator, and I'm just messing with an SVG. And then all my collision points are based off of this. So, you know, the site knows that anything that's a rectangle, I should not... Oh, what the hell? I should not touch. Comes a collision point. Let's go thin. Yep. Oh, nope. I want to match that one. There we go. And then let's make you bigger. Perfect. Then let's copy this one over here because we'll need it over here too. Ooh. Put it in line. Thank you. Put you in line. Thank you. And you go there. And you go, I guess, what, there? Is that how it works? Yeah, cool. Looks kind of off center though, huh? Ooh. That's weird. It's like this whole rectangle is not straight. Whatever. Okay, so this kind of seems too big now because I'm gonna start here. Talk to him here, maybe off to the right. And it's still too much. Let's give myself less space. Let's just kind of match that side. Maybe like that. That's pretty good. That should be a good little reception area. Let's put a little desk here. Speaking of desk, let's put a little desk here. Boop. Alright, that's his little desk that I can't run into. Guess we can go a little bigger. We want him to be covered by the desk. Like a real desk, you can only go over one side. It's like a reception desk. Okay. And then we'll put the guy right here. I hope this works, because I think I get cut off close to here. So I might have to push everything up, to be honest. Which would be very annoying. Let's give it a shot. Alright, let's select all the rectangles and export selection. There we go. It's going into game creatives. And we're just going to replace this with this. Final two. Alright. Now, let's replace the map for Thyris. And see if we have a nice little alcove. So first I have to upload it to the media library. No I don't. Oh, I don't need that. Explore area. That's what I meant to do. Alright, we'll go to Thyris. Okay. And let's wait for the feature image to show up. Why is that open? Alright. Here we go. Replace you with you. Let's add creative. I need game creative. SVG. Boop. Awesome. Let's copy that. Set that. We'll use the same one for this. Alright. Now we should have a new little alcove area at the beginning. And I can set my starting point to be a little bit lower. I don't know how much lower, so let's actually check. Continue. Alright, now we have a new little alcove. Oh, that's pretty close. I don't think I actually need much more than that. Can I fit? No, I can't. Oh god, I just phased through. That's not good. Well, it's because it's dealing with two different points. Like I can't go that way, I can't go that way, but if I go diagonally, it wants to squeeze me through. And I just squeeze through. Hey, I mean, can't win them all. Technically I could just transport anyways, right? Okay. This is kind of a big doorway though. I guess it's fine. Eventually I'm gonna, you know, put little fake doors here. And you just walk through them. You know what I mean? Anything that you can see, you can just walk through. Okay, this is a little annoying, but I think we're okay. Okay, everything's pretty good. Let's just make that one side a little bit bigger since we're already in here. I guess I could fix that squeezing point too, just so it doesn't become a problem. Since we're already here. So I think something like that will be good. And then let's just match the thickness, maybe. Go a little more. Go a little less. That's weird, I thought I matched it. TBH. Like, didn't I match? I thought I did. Now it is. Yeah. Now it is. And then let's go into this one. It should snap onto it. Whatever. I don't like all these overlaps, but it doesn't really matter. You're going to be blocked anyways. It's just kind of a bigger HTML. Alright, let's go a little bit less. So if I wanted to, I could squeeze through. Or just block it off completely. Yeah, I like that better. I don't want you to be able to, like, beat up the receptionist. He is kind of a dick. And you can't transport yet, so. Okay. So he's kind of like, ooh, shit. He's kind of behind the desk. Like there. Okay. I like it. Let's close this up a little bit more. This is a little big for my taste. Okay. I like it. Let's export this. Doop. Ba-doop. Ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. Doop, doop. Oops. Virus. Virus. Final. 3. Ooh. Why didn't SVG say? There we go. I think that works. Alright, let's try again. Replace. Upload. Doop-a-doop. Schmoop-a-boop. Upload. Did it work? I feel like it didn't work. Did it not export right? I feel like it didn't export right. Wait, what? The hell just happened? Yeah, it doesn't seem right. Hold on. What happened to you? Oh, I just exported that one part. Idiote. There we go. Now we're selected. Somebody complained about the background music in my shorts. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is the background music, like, annoying? Or is it, like, good to have some background music? I don't know, maybe it's too much. It just feels better having the silence be filled in. I don't know. As opposed to me constantly talking, which I do talk a lot, but could be worse. Alright. Nope. Let's refresh. Nah. Let's get that again. God damn it. Copy, you bitch. Wait, what? That's wrong. This is what I wanted. Thank you. Copy, yes. No, that's wrong. 3, 1. There we go. What the fuck? Why isn't it copying the right one? That's so weird. Alright, go. Go. There we go. That's a nice little doorway. And there's your little desk. Can't go anywhere around it. Ooh, that's weird. I can still phase through the wall. Must be corners. Let's see, does that happen with all corners? It does. Interesting. Well, don't tell anyone, but you can phase through any corner. That's kind of cheap. Haha, now it's my desk. Phase power, phase power. That's some cheap shit. I'll have to fix that one day. Okay. Now let's add the little character. Let's give him a little cutscene, and we'll give him the collect ID badge, which will give me that thing. So let's add a new character. It'll be the first character, actually, that I add. Oh, no, second character. And a receptionist doesn't need to have a little dash because he's only going to be in one place. And his name's actually... is it Adam? Oh, Andy. Andy. And his name's Andy because he's an android. Don't really go into it much, but there's multiple Andys inside of Iris. So this is like Andy 1, Andy 2, Andy 3. Alright, we'll put him there. And he doesn't have a value. Should I give him a walking path? Nah, he just kind of stands there. I'll give him a little gif of him typing. That's what he's always doing. And yeah, I don't need any walking triggers after his cutscene. Should be good. Okay, we're good. Alright, where's his position going to be? Okay, yeah, he needs an image. So for Andy, let's give him a little... what do we want Andy to be? I could just be like using Midjourney or something to make some starter assets, but it just seems like using available images is funnier. Should we make him a woman holding a phone? No. We need something with a white background at least. How about a pink shirt? There you go, Andy. You're a pink shirt. And we'll make you... I think my character is 100 by 100. I want to say. So maybe I'll do 100 by 100. It needs to be taller, so let's do 60 by 100. Be a little bit shorter. And then position. So I will phase into his desk position. Alright, we're now on the desk. Very good. Now where am I at? I am... Here we go. Okay, yes, the map is 3951 1091. 3951 3951 1051. What is it? Oh, 1091. 1091. Alright. Andy, welcome to the real world. Let's make sure we got his position right, and then we'll set up his cutscene. Oh, let's get out of his position first. Thank you. Alright, Andy. Let's see you arrive. There she blows. Andy's in position. Let's just make sure he's perfect. Yeah, I want him in the center. And actually, right there is pretty good. He's right at his desk. So, 3892. Cool. 3892. Perfect. Andy exists. Now let's add a cutscene for him. And let's give him, we'll call it Andy. I don't know. What was it called when you first get accepted into a position? We'll just call it reception. Hello, Mr. Milford. Hi. I need my badge. Sure. Go collect it. Fine. Okay, that'll work. And technically in the book, Andy's the one that gives him the badge. So... Actually, now that I think about it, Andy gives him the badge in the book. So maybe that shouldn't be the mission. Maybe I should have the mission when I start be collect badge. And in order to collect the badge, Andy has to give it to me. Did I set up talking to people as a mission yet? I think I did. I think cutscenes can be missions. Sure. Here you go. Okay, I'm gonna test that theory out. So we'll do that. This is Ghost of Virus. It's for Andy. He is the character. Come on, buddy. There we go. It will not send you anywhere. Cutscene trigger. Nope. Oh, yeah, I do. I need to set up a cutscene trigger. It needs to be right here. Shit. So the cutscene trigger should be here when I go here, which is, well, let's do it a little before here. Let's do like here. So that will be 3440 790 3. Oh no, the trigger, I have to use the map. 3940. 3940. Technically I need to put it a little bit higher. 3940 1290. Okay, 1290. And it needs to be roughly, he's 100, so maybe 400 pixels tall. And whatever, we'll just give it like 20 width. There we go. Trigger point before mission name. Oh yeah, well this is how you trigger a mission. So after you talk to him, the next mission that it's going to trigger is find your onboarder. Alright. Sure, here you go. Sure. I'll give that to you now. Before that, I need to... Oh. Thanks. Before that, I need to tell you that you have to go find your onboarder. She'll be in the research grid. Alrighty. There we go. So find your onboarder. And that will... I don't need that. Okay, I think we're good for now. Publish. Perfect. And then I need... What do I need? I need to change the mission. I think we're good actually. Collect ID. Wait, how do I... Oh. I think I have to put it on the mission. I don't remember my own logic. Collect ID badge. Oh, no, this is right. This is correct. Yeah, I don't need a next mission. But I do need to set up ID badge. Yeah, instead of that, I think what I set it up to do was use this. So Andy reception. I think this will work. I know it says explore point, but I think I set it up to work with cutscenes as well. So I'll be getting this first. But then this cutscene should trigger it as finished. And then his cutscene will trigger the next one, which I'll add a new one right now. And it's called Find Onboarder. Or was it Talk to Onboarder? I don't remember. Let me check. You know I have no memory. It was... Find your onboarder. We'll just say find onboarder. That's better. And then we have this, find onboarder. Go into the research grid and find your onboarder. Cool. And this is a virus mission. It can be completed by talking to your onboarder, which will be Iona. Hey, Beto's back. I'm just setting up all these mission things. I updated the map already. Okay, so this is Iona. What's Iona? Whatever. Onboarder. That'll be the cutscene that triggers it. I think cutscenes can be completed as missions. Oh, I didn't click add new category. Come on, bruh. There we go. Let's update this. Okay. Alright, let's check the front out now. Let's see if it works. Go. So now I should just have collect badge. There we go. Ooh, why is the styling all messed up? Something happened. What happened? Yeah-oh. Let's... Hey, find onboarder happened. The collect ID badge didn't go away. I think it happens after you finish, but let's restart the game. Because I'm not 100% sure that I set up that cutscenes can be used as mission completion. I might have to add that logic. But let's try. Boop. Tap, 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 boop. Oh, doop, 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 doop. Let's go. Okay, going to new area. We're now in his office. He's gonna tell me about the research facility. Let's talk. Doop, 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 boop, boop. Alright, let's go to Thyrus. Which I need to change the starting point actually to lower. Alright, let's see if this trigger works. It doesn't. That's really weird. Okay, what did I do wrong? I think I'm missing something. Cut character. Oh, is it because I didn't set up a cut character? Let's do that. Doesn't really matter what, but let's try to use the same image for now. Whatever, we'll use another pink shirt. There we go. So he has that. Doesn't need that. Andy is the character. Cyrus. We have position, doesn't matter. Cutscene trigger, we have that. We're good. I don't need that. Find onboarder is the mission name. That finishing this will trigger. Okay. Oh, I think I keep forgetting to wrap this in a group. I think that's why. Let's group these. I don't think I need a custom class for the group. I think it's just grouped. There we go. That might have been the whole problem. Oh, but it looks like the mission went away. That's weird. Okay. At least it worked now. Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right. First one needs engage. I need to remember my own goddamn logic. Schmoop. Alright, try again. Go. Go. Okay, there we go. Hey, I need my badge. Bup, 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 bup. Boo. Okay, so I think we can safely say that find onboarder is not being considered the right thing. Data next mission does not exist. Data points. Wait, why isn't it giving me data points? That's weird. I added one. What? Find on border. Wait, where's data points come from? That comes from the mission. Which... Wait, what? Find on border. Yeah, explore points right there. Iona on border. Oh, is it because that doesn't exist? Shit. Alright, I'll make the cutscene. Though she doesn't exist either, so... Womp. Man, you gotta set up a whole bunch of things to just set up one. Alright. Iona on border. Let's set this up. Iona on border. Let's do a group. Sure. Let's do this. Hey, I'm your onboarder. Let's make sure this has the right class. Engage. Okay. And this gets connected to the explore character. Synthyrus. Nope. This is connected to Iona, who does not exist yet, so that's probably going to break. And and you should just run into her, so that's fine. Do I need a mission after I finish talking to her? No, not yet at least. So let's see here. Do I have her picture already on here? I think I do. No? Oh, I do. So that's her real picture. Her character picture is just a little avatar though. Alright, let's publish this. Let's see if that fixes the issue. Because find onboarder should not show up right off the bat. No, it does not fix it. Why is this showing up? We have mission item. Well, it's not a next mission. Find onboarder. Yeah. Maybe that's why. No, see, look, it's... Oh, no, it doesn't have a data next mission. Oh yeah, look, it still doesn't have data point. Oh, none of these do. Because they don't give you points yet. Gotta fix that. Okay, so the only problem is it doesn't have next mission. So yeah, this leads me to believe that I do not have the logic yet for cutscenes being triggers for... Oh, maybe I should put it as a next mission from collect ID badge. Yes. Well, no, didn't I just set up logic that gives you missions after a cutscene? So why is that not working? What's the cutscene? It's Andy. Andy reception. I want him to give me the cutscene, which is right here. Find onboarder. Oh, is it not supposed to be in that format? Shit, I forget. Yeah, I'm right. It needs to be a slug. That's probably why. Alright, one more time. That should go away now. I was wrong. What the hell? Where's my cutscenes? It's music. Cutscenes are in here. Cutscene trigger. Oh, that's a really weird position. I need to change that. Let's just go down 100. Nope. That'll work. 3813. I'm already here. 3813. There we go. Okay. See, I just added this functionality. So we got his cutscene, map cutscene, and the find onboarder. Wait, what? Oh, this is the mission. Why is there a mission here? Oh. Wait, why is... Oh, that's the mission. Okay, find onboarder is the mission. Oh, it's still showing the wrong one. Hold on. Maybe we didn't save. There we go. It was working. I'm not crazy. Okay, so when you start in Thyrus, you will have collect ID badge. So the first thing you have to do is talk to Andy here. He will lead you to collect. Oh, why didn't it collect the ID badge? That's supposed to happen. Find onboarder worked. Then I gotta go do that, but talking to... Okay, so then maybe I'm right. Maybe I didn't send cutscenes up to finish missions. I thought I did. Let's double check the logic. I am going to leave these tabs open. I can close 2 of these. Alright. Oh shit, I'm opening the wrong program. Nope. PHP Storm, there we go. Should be a quick ad to get cutscenes to be able to be considered missions. I could have sworn I added that. Maybe I just don't know how to set it up. Yes. I need Myropedia. Show me your secrets. In which I created. I don't remember. Nope. Still loading. Okay, what do we got here? So, oof, every now and then my code just like hurts my brain. Okay, so we need to go to the logic that. Okay, so it's showing up, right? Correctly. Oh my god, finish indexing, bro. I need to get here. Okay. It's showing... What do we have here? Genre, type, value, image. Cool. What is this? Yeah, okay, that's fine. But now... the cutscene with Andy. Here we go. This is his cutscene. This should have a data mission on it, which is find onboarder. Okay, that's what gets triggered. But where's the part that I added? Oh, I think it's the mission. Let's go back up to missions. So missions. These are both next missions. Cool. Okay. So mission, collect ID badge. What? I still have that? I shouldn't have that anymore. No, it's not the mission. What the fuck am I doing? No, it is the mission. It should have how to complete it. Right? How do you... Oh, no. How you complete it gets connected to the item. Right? I don't remember. Let us check the code, which is still indexing. Jesus Christ. So, let's go to the items. This is where my brain starts shutting off. This is characters. Let's see. Is this where I have missions hooked up? Yeah, mission cutscene. So the explore mission cutscene is the mission to add at the end of a cutscene. So that's one thing. But I need to know. So I don't think it's part of this. Yeah. Because this is map cutscene HTML. Yeah, I don't need this. I need not this. I need get map item HTML. Oh no, it's explore points, right? Where is that? Get explore points. No. This is just getting every position. Got it. Yep. Inline is 4 styles. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted probably this one. Okay. So let's get the item HTML. So this is going to give me characters as well. Here's the missions. So this is all the current missions. Here we go. All the explore area points. What? Okay, yeah. This is connected to a missions location. And then we have point tags. This is it right here. Explore point post name. Yeah. This won't work. Unless this does do characters. Does this do characters as well as explore points? It should. It should. Let's double check that get explore points actually includes people. Characters, yeah, it does. Oh shit. Oh, but it doesn't include cutscenes. That's what I need. That's why this isn't working. Okay. In that case, this won't work the same way as characters. Okay. So this means I will need to add one more. And I'll have to add a new taxonomy just for cutscenes. Explore, cutscene, tax. And I will not. I will need explore point won't work. I need the cutscenes. Shit. This won't work. The way it's set up, this just won't work. I need missions that are also connected to cutscenes. What do we got here? Missions. What am I doing with missions? I'm just adding it. Okay. So I'll need to add data mission. No. So this is a completely separate entity, because this is adding it to the character or whatever, the item. I need to add data mission to the cutscene. So let's take the same sort of logic here and go to the cutscene HTML function, right? And now this is different than explore mission cutscene. I need the mission that has the cutscene attached to it. That means I'm gonna have to query all the missions. See, I already have a data mission. And this is the mission that you're going to add after the cutscene. But I also need the mission that gets completed by this, which is not technically connected to the cutscene. Wait, is it? No, it's connected to the mission. So I could connect it to the cutscene. Alright. Maybe I'll just have to do that. We'll have to add another one. Just like this. But it's complete cutscene. Mission complete cutscene. Explore mission complete cutscene. This is not confusing at all. I'm telling you, somebody document what I'm doing. I'm gonna forget it all. Add data point for the mission that is completed by, you know, having this cutscene. So data mission complete. Complete equals mission complete cutscene. Awesome. So now I gotta go to the fucking meta box and I gotta add a brand new one with the same shit, just a little bit different. Oh, I guess I could turn this into an array and just have it be part of the same shit. And I'm gonna have to change the current one. I think we're gonna be lazy. I'll just make one more meta point right now. It's okay. There's plenty of time to make things better. There's only so much time I have to work on this. at this current point. Mission complete. Cutscene. Come on. We got that. We got that. Cool. And then that's that. Then we need to add here as well. Where's the mission? Where's the mission at? Where's the mission at? Right here. This is... no. This is next mission. I need... cutscene mission. Wait, what? Where is it? Explore cutscene mission is not here. How is that possible? I have next mission. What the hell did I just do? I just added a new one. Explore mission cutscene. Why? 2, 3. Oh, it's just up here in a random area. Got it. I'm not crazy. Complete cutscene, mission, complete cutscene. None of this is dry, I know. Alright, and then we'll go here. And we'll do mission complete. Mission name. Mission complete name. Okay, mission complete name. This is dumb. I should just put all these fucking things in an array and just do it all in a big array, but I am being iterative, slowly. Okay, so now we have that, and we need to look for it. So in that case, completing a mission. So save mission. Oh no, it's just cutscene. After cutscene or after complete. Wait, after cutscene. Yeah, why didn't it work? That's weird. So we're gonna get. Huh. That's weird. After cutscene. Oh, I think it's before cutscene. I need to put mine after the cutscene though. TBH. After cutscene. What the fuck? After. Oh. That's weird. Which is weird because I was doing it right. Cutscene keys. Okay. Where's before cutscene? I don't know why I'm looking for that now. Alright, there we go. So before cutscene, I'm doing all this shit. Why are there so many? Oh, I'm wrong again. So after cutscene. Well, where am I using the data mission? I'm not. Dot mission. Data set mission. Here we go. Oh, it is an after cutscene. Shit. I'm being dumb. So I need to do the same thing for the mission that gets completed. Because this gets added. But I also need to complete. So let's get complete mission if cutscene has one. Okay. So it would be const mission complete equals cutscene dot data set dot mission complete. Boop. If mission complete. Then save mission. The mission is mission complete. Okay. Value is, I don't know. Shit. I need the mission points. And the position would be the cutscene, I guess. Alright. I'm not finishing this tonight. It's already too late. My brain's exploding and I'm gonna have a lot more typing to do to get this set up. But hey, thanks everybody who stuck around to watch me. Beto, always a pleasure, man. Would you like me to raid anybody? Or are you over it? Let's see. Who's even... I know Grumble of Pugs is on. I always like to raid that guy. No? You don't think so? I'll do it anyways just to get the shout out. Let me get my raid shout out and then you can disconnect. Hook it up, Rumble of Pugs. Following. Yeah, I just saw him jump on. Well, I guess we can try the potato guy actually. Hey, no problem, man. And yeah, you know, keep me posted about what's going on with you. I would love to know how things go. And I'm already Potato Game official. Just for fun. Raid. Alright, man. I'll see you on next stream. Thanks, Beto. And I will say good night to YouTube. Have a wonderful night, everybody.